Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Glip app. You click on settings. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will click here on Glip app and you will click in this page of app on four. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. You will turn on your airplane mode. You will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.